TIGP, we have the choice of making to work either in the partner university or in Academia Sinica. Like each program has different partner university. We can work in partner universities or in Academia Sinica. Working in Academia Sinica is like having as much collaboration we can get. If I remember, I'm the first one working on leukemia in Academia Sinica. In the beginning, I didn't have much experience about leukemia, so I got help from different collaborations. In fact, I got collaboration from National Taiwan University Hospital, and I got several collaboration from inside the Institute of Biomedical Science and Developmental Center for Biotechnology, Taiwan. For example, I worked on leukemia, developing therapeutic strategy in leukemia. I identified one gene that is called SCOBY1 gene, which is important for leukemia survival. And I identified that particular protein is important. I started from the proteomics. I didn't have any expertise in proteomics. I got help from core facility in Institute of Biomedical Science, mass spec, and I learned the proximity ligation from Dr. Yun Mo. I got help from different professors in Institute of Biomedical Science in proteomics. For example, Dr. Fu An Lee from the core facility, he helped me in the mass spec studies, and Dr. Yun Mo, who helped me in the study for proximity ligation, which helped me identifying the key important proteins which linked to my studies. And apart from that, we got help from Dr. Ruffler, Steve Ruffler, designing our antibodies for therapeutic studies, and we got help from Developmental Center for Biotechnology to conjugate antibody with the drug. We didn't have any expertise in drug conjugation, so we got help from them. So that is how we got several helps, several collaborations during my studies, and I got to publish in a high impact factor journal. And recently also we applied for the patent. My qualifying exam was an important event for me because I learned so many things in that particular one day. And I remember I was standing almost 2 hours in front of my committee members, defending their questions, learning from their questions. And as a whole, it changed my scientific career. Attending international conferences, TIGP provides travel grants. In my program, I was honored to receive travel grant. But unfortunately, because of the COVID-19, I could not go to any international conference. In future, if anyone wants to go for international conferences, they can apply for a TIGP travel grant. PhD journey is a long-term journey. You have to make sure that 100% you want to do PhD. And during this journey, you may face different phases, like ups and downs, and you may face failures, but you should not give up. That's kind of normal. You should get help from your friends, talk to your friends, go out, make some trips. During the PhD studies, you may feel that your hypothesis is not working. So for that, you should keep your alternative hypothesis, alternative methods, and you should talk to some expert in that field. You should talk to your professor. At the end, you will get back to your path. You should not give up on that. After graduation, I stayed in Institute of Biomedical Science, and I was working as a postdoc, and I continued to work on my previous project. And after that, I wanted to explore more in this field. So I applied postdoc position in different countries. I was fortunate to get different positions like University College of London, and MD Anderson in US, City of Hope in US, and Stanford University in US. And in the end, I selected Stanford University, and I will be working in the next month in Stanford University. I'll be working in pediatric leukemia. So that will be my future plan. There are many people who helped me during my PhD studies, like from friends to advisor, my family members. Everyone helped me a lot during these studies. Importantly, my advisor, my collaborations, my advisor, Dr. Wei-Bing Yang, my collaborations in Academia Sinica and outside Academia of Sinica, and my family, my friends. My advisor, Dr. Wei-Bing Yang, he helped me a lot during these studies. He provided me the fellowship. He helped me recommendation for getting the fellowship from Academia Sinica. And my family members, most importantly my parents, they sacrificed a lot to get me here. Without their sacrifice and support, I could not be here. And my wife, Snigdha, she helped me a lot during my ups and downs and my frustration during the PhD studies.